Forget eggs. These 7 cheap foods build muscle even at 70. Stop believing eggs are the ultimate muscle food. If you're over 60 and still rely on the same advice, you could be silently losing strength, energy, and even your independence without even realizing it. Here's the truth. You don't need expensive protein powders, trendy shakes, or a carton of eggs every day to maintain strong muscles, protect your joints, and age gracefully. There are 7 underrated, affordable foods, some of them probably already sitting in your kitchen, that quietly rebuild muscles, fight inflammation, boost energy, and slow down aging. Some even cost less than your morning coffee. If you're over 60 and tired of hearing the same advice on repeat, this one's for you. Before we dive in, if you enjoy practical, doctor-approved content that truly helps seniors regain strength and boost energy, hit the subscribe button. These aren't just tips. They're proven strategies I've witnessed create real, visible results in my patients and clients over the years. 1. Lentils, the muscle-building powerhouse. Lentils are one of the cheapest powerhouses in the entire grocery store. For just a few dollars, you get protein, fiber, iron, and slow-burning energy, all packed into one tiny legume. They may not have fancy packaging, but they have substance, real dense, muscle-supporting nutrition your body knows exactly how to use. 1 cooked cup delivers around 18 grams of plant protein, with no cholesterol, no saturated fat, and no hassle. But lentils aren't just about protein. They're rich in folate and magnesium, crucial for nerve function and muscle coordination, especially after 60. Protein plus fiber helps stabilize blood sugar, preventing energy crashes and supporting better metabolism. They're also gentle on digestion, pair beautifully with rice, soups, stews, or salads, and naturally low in sodium. Lentils are loaded with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, the silent enemy of muscles and aging bodies. Red, green, black, or brown. Each type adds variety and keeps your muscles fueled steadily, without spikes or crashes. Lentils equals cheap, nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory, muscle-protecting powerhouse for seniors. 2. Cottage cheese, the nighttime muscle guardian. Cottage cheese is a senior's secret weapon. It contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that feeds muscles all night long while your body repairs and rebuilds. Go to bed without protein, and your muscles start breaking down to compensate. Cottage cheese releases amino acids over 6 to 8 hours, like a drip line of nutrients into your bloodstream. These amino acids aren't just for size. They support strength, coordination, and energy, exactly what you need to climb stairs, stand from a chair, or maintain balance. It's also rich in calcium for muscle contractions, B vitamins for energy metabolism, and tryptophan to help improve sleep quality. Better sleep means better recovery and stronger muscles. Half a cup before bed, plain or with a few berries, gives your body tools to stop nighttime muscle breakdown without spending a dime on supplements. Cottage cheese equals slow-release protein for overnight repair, sarcopenia prevention, and better sleep. 3. Peanut butter, compact energy, and muscle fuel. Natural peanut butter is dense, nutrient-rich, and underappreciated for seniors. 1 spoonful gives plant-based protein, heart-healthy fats, and about 90 calories. Perfect for smaller appetites, but high muscle protein needs. After 60, muscle loss is often about what you don't eat. Many seniors unknowingly undereat, leading to steady muscle decline. Peanut butter is compact and efficient. On toast, stir into oatmeal or with banana, instantly turns a light snack into a muscle-supporting mini meal. Monounsaturated fats support brain and heart health, help regulate hormones like testosterone, and keep blood sugar steady. Look for natural peanut butter with just peanuts and maybe a pinch of salt. No added sugar, no hydrogenated oils. These can quietly sabotage metabolism and cardiovascular health. Tip: add it to Greek yogurt with cinnamon, as a dip for apple slices, or blend it into a smoothie with oats. Peanut butter equals dense, versatile, muscle-supporting energy. If you're enjoying these tips and seeing how simple muscle-building foods can be, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to get all my proven strategies for seniors to regain strength and stay healthy. Real results, no gimmicks or fleeting trends. 4. Tuna, anti-inflammatory, high-protein superstar. Canned tuna is protein convenience at its finest. Complete protein plus omega-3 fatty acids. These reduce inflammation, joint pain, and oxidative stress, while supporting muscle protein synthesis. Tuna helps your body build and repair tissue, not just feed it. It's ready in minutes, flexible and budget-friendly. Over 20 grams of protein for less than $1. Toss into salads, wraps, or combine with lentils for a full muscle-supporting meal. Choose light tuna to minimize mercury exposure and rotate protein sources through the week. Tuna equals anti-inflammatory, convenient, high-quality protein for strength, muscle repair, and joint health. 5. Black beans, affordable plant-based protein. Black beans are loaded with plant protein, fiber, and magnesium, essential for regulating muscle function, preventing leg cramps, and supporting nerve-to-muscle signaling. Pair them with rice or quinoa for a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Crucial after 60. Affordable, easy to digest, and versatile. Black beans quietly deliver strength, endurance, and long-lasting energy for pennies per serving. Low glycemic index keeps blood sugar stable, and fiber keeps you full longer, preventing late-night snack cravings that sabotage muscle recovery. Black beans equals cheap, versatile. Complete protein to slow sarcopenia, stabilize energy, and support healthy aging. 6. Oats, breakfast supercharged. Oats alone are mostly carbs, but upgrade them, and they become a muscle-repairing breakfast. Combine with cottage cheese, peanut butter, or Greek yogurt to create a perfect balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Add chia seeds, flaxseed, or unsweetened protein powder for extra amino acids, and top with berries or cinnamon for antioxidants and circulation support. This is morning medicine that tastes good, fuels recovery, and prevents sarcopenia. Upgraded oats equals perfectly balanced, antioxidant-rich, anti-aging breakfast for seniors. 7. Sardines, tiny fish, big benefits. Sardines are nutrient-dense powerhouses. Protein, calcium, vitamin D, and collagen. Perfect for strong muscles, joints, bones, and circulation. Eat a few servings per week, bones and all, for noticeable improvements in strength, recovery, and energy. Sardines equals anti-aging, muscle and bone support, joint-friendly powerhouse. Rotation and strategy. Rotate 2 to 3 of these foods per day. Breakfast, oats plus cottage cheese or Greek yogurt plus berries. Midday, lentils plus black beans or tuna. Snacks, peanut butter with fruit. Dinner, sardines, lentils, black beans. Daily nutrient-rich anti-inflammatory foods keep your muscles, metabolism, and independence strong. Forget eggs for a minute. Over 60? You need easy-to-digest, nutrient-dense, affordable foods. Lentils, cottage cheese, peanut butter, tuna, black beans, oats, sardines. Rotate 2 to 3 daily and watch your strength, balance, and energy improve in weeks. For more proven tips on easy muscle-boosting foods and practical strategies to help seniors regain strength, protect their joints, and maintain overall health and activity, be sure to subscribe and explore my channel. As always, thank you for watching. I wish you vibrant health, lasting vitality, and a life full of independence and happiness.